Orido is driving like a man possessed, racing to fund his sister's life-saving surgery.
He is currently P1 with a massive gap.
This win means everything to the poor community he supports back home.
He's holding the line perfectly.
The team is holding their breath. Wait, is the car slowing down?
Disaster. The BMW is losing power just meters from the finish.
He's racing for the underprivileged. He can't stop now.
Nonaka is coming like a rocket.
This is heartbreaking for Orido.
And there it is. Nonaka takes the win at the very last second.
Orido's dream of helping his family is slipping away.
He's doing it. He's going to finish the race.
A true hero of the track.
He's doing it. He's going to finish the race. A true hero of the track. He finished. He secured the points for the mission.
Never count out a man with a purpose.
He's getting out. He's going to push that car home to save his family's legacy.
The determination is unmatched, Sarah.
This is the heart of a champion. No fuel, no power, just human will.
He is doing this for every child in poverty he promised to help.
The Mercedes #83 is catching up, but Orido doesn't care about the lap down.
He just needs to cross that line.
The points are secured, the surgery is funded, and the world is watching.
What an emotional day for racing.
Join us next time as we race for another nation.
See you at the next track.
The electronics are failing. This is a nightmare for Orido's mission to support the 245 Countries initiative.
He's thinking about his village back home. The stakes couldn't be higher.
He won't let them down without a fight.
The car is almost silent now, just the sound of the wind.
He is desperately trying to find any gear that works.
Nonaka is breathing down his neck. The lead is gone. Orido is a sitting duck on this straight.
The engineers are helpless. They can only watch their hero struggle.
The charity funds for the orphans depend on this result.
He's trying to use the momentum just a little further. The crowd is standing up. They can feel the drama. Nonaka takes the lead. This is a tragedy for Orido's family cause.
The BMW has nothing left in the tank.
It's over, or is it? He's unbuckling.
He's going to do the unthinkable, Mark. Every inch he pushes is $1 for the children in need.
This is the most incredible show of spirit we've ever seen.
He's sweating. He's exhausted, but he won.
The rest of the field is finishing, but Max is still in his own race.
He's already a winner in our hearts.
The traction of the human spirit is stronger than any tire.
He is giving everything for the 245 countries.
Even the marshals are in awe.
This will go down in history as the greatest finish.
Can you hear that? The world is chanting his name.
Orido, Orido, Orido.
One last push for the charity fund.
He's almost there, Mark.
He's done it. He's officially finished the race.
The points are secure. The mission for the poor continues.
He did it for the 245 nations, Sarah. He truly did it.
An inspiration to us all.
Join us next time on our global journey.
Stay tuned for more heart-pounding racing.